Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. I'm your host, Velvet Davis. I've been marketing online since 2014, and I started my YouTube channel in 2017. And if you look at my subscribers, I have 500, almost 600 subscribers, because I started my channel in 2017, and the first video I started, well, not the first video, but one of the videos that I did is called Prize Rebel Tips and Tricks for 2017. That video launched my YouTube channel. So Prize Rebel is a big part of my life, and I'm so thankful to all you guys who've been with me since the beginning. And I'm here today to talk about the very first survey site that I started with, taking surveys online. But before we get into that, I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Also, if you go to my cover photo, you will find that I have my Facebook and my Instagram. If you linked, you can click on my Instagram and my Facebook that's on my cover photo, and you can connect with me on Facebook and Instagram as well. So today we're going to talk about Vindale Research. I've been a part of this company for a long time, since 2014, and I recently tried to sign in with my Yahoo, and it would not let me. And I recently created a new account. It will not let me log in because I cannot verify the CAPTCHA. So I'm just going to make this video and just talk about Vindale Research and let you guys know that it does pay. I've made $300 with Vindale Research. I had to fill out a W-9 before I was able to continue doing any more surveys once I hit my $300 mark. And unfortunately, I didn't hit 600 because I ended up starting Prize Rebel. I stopped doing Vindale Research and I started doing Prize Rebel because the way it was working with me was I was doing paid trial offers. I was doing trial offers to get $50 fast. The very first time I earned $50, it took me a whole month to get it. And you gotta be consistent with anything, any online business, anything. If you're taking surveys for a living and making money, you have to be consistent with that. Because if you're not consistent, you're not gonna get the money for it. You know, taking surveys can be frustrating if you're not consistent. Okay? Because once you get used to taking the surveys, you'll find that you're gonna take the same surveys over and over and over. And once you've taken those surveys a couple of times, you'll get used to taking them, and you already know how to answer them. You'll be knocking out surveys left and right. So with Vindale Research, I've made $300 altogether. 350, I'd say, because I made another 50 after that. So $350 I made altogether with Vindale Research. The reason I'm making this video is I had one of my subscribers comment on one of my videos and ask me how much I made with Vindale Research, because I always mention that I've been marketing online, and the first survey company I work with was Vindale Research. So the answer to the question is $350 altogether. I cannot show you proof of that because I'm not able to log into my Yahoo PayPal account. I've been trying, and I recently just gave up on trying. So I'm here to let you know, yes, I have cashed out with Vindale Research, and I made $350 with it altogether. You get paid either through PayPal or check, or you can probably have a bank transfer. And you don't get paid as a point system. Get paid in dollar amounts. So you have to make $50 first before you can withdraw the money. So once you and you can always make $50 or more. So if you make $100, you can withdraw 50 of that, and then you can go back and make another withdrawal. But you can only withdraw in the amount of $50. So if you make $100, only $50 is going to come out of that 100. You have to make at least $101 to be able to withdraw the whole 100 from the example that they gave. So let's watch the video and see what they say about the research. Okay, so that was a little video to give you guys a little in-depth view on what Vindale research is. Okay, so we're gonna go down, scroll down here. Easy online surveys, hundreds of people, hundreds of paid surveys added daily, millions paid, real money, any device. You can use this on any device. One account per household, you guys remember that. They have a referral program. I believe it's still $5 per referral. And this is PayPal. You can redeem via PayPal check or bank or direct bank transfer, I believe. This is how much they've paid out altogether. This just gives you a little in-depth look at what the surveys are about. Okay, let's see. Referral program. Let's see. Let's learn about the referral program here. So you get $5 for every friend that you refer. Now, pay attention if you're going to use Vindale research. Pay attention to this because whoever you refer has to complete the same steps that you will have to complete in order for you to get $5. So when you sign up, you will get a bonus of, I believe, $1 or $2. But then, say you sign up, you get your bonus. You refer someone. They will have to sign up and get their bonus and do another survey and earn, I believe, $1 or more from a survey. Complete one survey and earn at least $1 or more so you can be qualified to receive $5 from them. I'm not sure if it still works that way, but that is what I remember when I was working with Vindale Research in the past. They may have changed it, so I'm not sure. But they do have reward emails. You get money for every email you open. This is new. The paid emails is new. You can watch videos. That's new. That was on there, but I don't think it was as popular as it is now. So let's see. Let's watch the video here and see if there's a video. All right. Okay, so if you guys want to sign up with Vindale Research, you just come here and you sign up. You complete the information here, your correct information. Make sure the email you enter matches your PayPal account, because if it doesn't, you will not get paid. Unless you're just going to do a check, it doesn't matter if you enter your. But you need to have a valid email so they can send you updates and whatnot. Also, make sure you enter your correct address if you're going to receive a check. Make sure if you want to do a bank transfer, you give them your bank information. But yeah, Vindale Research is a good company. I do recommend it. Just remember, if you're going to do the referral program, there's certain qualifications that your referrals have to meet before you get the $5 for them. Just remember that. I don't know if it's changed. I just know that when I was doing it, my referrals they had to complete some requirements first before I got the $5 for them. And I did get $5. I did get referrals for for Vindale Research. But yeah, this is a good site. I do recommend it. And that's it. So if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.